Hello, welcome to JAcademy. In this video I'll show you how to make a video chapter. So first of all, what is the video chapter all about? So if you see this YouTube video, you can see that in the timeline there's a straight line, and you don't know from where the topic is going to start for this video. So what you can do, you have seen in some of the tutorials that you have the name of the, when you drag your mouse on the timeline, you can see the title of that in the timeline. And the benefit is that when you make a tutorial and you give the video chapter, so the audience who are interested to know that topic can easily go to that topic and see that part of the video. So in this video I'll show you how it can be done. So this is a video which I made recently on how to extend the C drive in the Windows 10, and there is no video chapter in this. So what you need to go do is that you have to click on the studio, that is your YouTube studio, and once it opens you go to that particular video. So click on content and then we will move to that video. So this is my video, and once you are in the video, go to the description part, and you can see you have a lot of things in the description. It is about the video, the link to the software. So what you can do is that you can write in the description video chapter, and here you have to give the time. So I have written my time, that is my starting is a introduction, okay, and then after the 54 second you have how to install, and then in 4 minutes 14 second is extend C drive, okay. So this is just for the demo purpose. So these are my video chapter that I want to include in my video, and once it is done I will save this, and once it is saved I will try to open this video again in the YouTube, and you can see now this video is a little bit different, because in the timeline you can see that there is a break, and if you scroll your mouse out here, you can see it is showing introduction, and the second part is how to install, and the third part which we included is extend C drive. So this is how you can include the video chapter in your any of the videos, which will be very helpful for the audience. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much.